A. Name of the character. Hello, my name is Juan Crisostomo Ibarra Y. Bagsalin. Thought, many simply known me as Crisostomo Ibarra. B. Description. I am a young man, educated abroad for 7 years in Europe, returning now to my homeland, the Philippines. I am idealistic and progressive, filled with hopes for my country's future. I am of Spanish and Filipino descent and possesses quiet determination, though at times a fiery passion can surface when provoked. I am generally well-mannered and composed, yet beneath the surface a deep love for my country and its people burns. C. Role in the novel. I am the protagonist of Jose Rizal No Limitang Touch Me Not. My journey in the novel is one of discovery and disillusionment. I return to my beloved San Diego to honor my late father, Don Rafael Ibarra, and to pursue my plans for building a school believing in enlightenment and reform. I represent the educated Filipino engager for change and justice, but who ultimately faces the harsh realities of colonial oppression, corruption, and injustice within the frail, dominated society. My experiences shape the central conflict and drive much of the narrative. D. Then react is her famous scene or line from the novel. My father, he taught my love to my country, to seek its betterment through peaceful means, through education. He believed, as I do, that knowledge is the key to progress. But the path to enlightenment, it seems, is fraught with thorns. I remember his words, in my heart. The most sacred gift of God is intelligence, and yet, how many denied this gift, or worse, suppressed for daring to use it?